it's cold. Hey! Stop sneaking up on me. So, I can't believe I made all of these boats. This one looks like it's in Minecraft. Enderman, hi. Why is there a furnace? Why is there TNT? That is in Minecraft. And there's diamond, water, lava, grass, stone. I don't know what that white block is. Like a white wall, granite, what? Glass, stairs. Oh, hi Joker boat. Hi Stormtrooper boat with a door. Hi Alex boat with a craft and furnace. Hi Police officer. Hi Mike. Hi Roblox army. Hi Minecraft dude with green stuff. Hi Lego Ninja. And hi Police officer. Hi manager. You have the best boat, I think. No, I think this one does. So let's see who's going to sink and float. Oh, the pool's filled up. Okay, so this one first. And then after I'm going to combine all of them. No, it's... Wait, what? Oh. Oh, that's fine. It broke off. Get water in. Get water. Get water. Make it sink. Make it sink. Make it sink, guys. I'm going to make it sink. 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 It's not sinking, but I'm sinking, guys. I'm sinking. Oh, what's that? Next boat. I just need to fix it first so it won't sink actually. Let's go under boat. Oh, it's not sinking. This boat's good. Is it because it's big? Maybe. So let's see the boat. I think it's gonna not sink. I think it's going to sink. Oh, guys! Wait, this is boat sinking? Oh, I think Stormtrooper. No, Stormtrooper. Oh yeah, I want Stormtrooper. No. I think everyone's going to float. Look, I actually made it. Look right here, and there's a difference. We'll just leave you to the end of the video, see how you're doing. Police officer, that's the front of the boat, so. He's surviving, I guess. I'm just gonna flip him over. Good job! Good job, manager. Lego Ninja, ready. Ready for takeoff? Wait, I'm just waiting that, so. Waiting this, so when I put it down, when I put them down, it will. Yeah. Oh, I wanted it to slide, so see if this one will go. Go. Okay, guys. Let's see if he survived. Let's see. Oh, he's still surviving, guys. Look. He's still surviving. What if I put him down? Oh, what? He's still surviving? What do you guys think? Is that good? Does he survive or no? I don't know, guys. Whoa. With the current, guys. Watch out for the current. Big boat surviving over here. My froggy. Guys, the current. The current. It's gonna make you guys flip over. Whoa, the ocean is... No, I hate water. The TNT's gonna explode. No! How does that float? Does everything float? Does the Enderman float? Oh my, since the Enderman floats, everything floats. It's just a lie. It's just a lie. Everything floats. Oh my god! I come to the truth. Now, Joker, going to survive? Oh, you're good. Alex, with your marshmallow boat? I don't think Alex survives! Guys, what do you think? I don't think that's it. No, it didn't sink. They all float. I know you don't like water, so you're gonna try. Sorry. Now let's see the manager. He's driving his boat. Guys, rough currents ahead. Rough current. No. Rough current, guys. Rough current. Hi, Spider. Hi, Spider. Hi, Roblox Army guy. You wanna go now? You're supposed to survive on me. Rough current, guys. Whoa. Do you think you're going to survive? I'm going to survive. I'm going to make a boat for you. A better one. Okay? So, I know how to make Legos, guys. I'm just making, like, not my best Legos I can do. Yes. Let's see if you can survive on this. I'm gonna make a little boat for you. Let's see if you survive it. See if you can survive. You won't be able to survive this. I dare you to try to survive on this, kid. You think you're the king of me? No, you're not. So you need to try to survive on this. So you can get the king. Okay, let's just see if he would float right here. Pretend this is him, guys. So would it float? So let's see if he floats on my boat. Ah, he floats! I don't think so. Oopsies. Okay, so one last test, guys. If all of them are going to float on something. Okay, so now it's almost the end of the video, guys. So now I'm putting it together. You going to float, kid? I don't think so. I don't know. Take a while, so we might have to edit it. I don't know if she knows how to edit good yet. Okay, so this one now. Oh, that one flew away. Fly away from me. Go support Roblox, guys. Go support Roblox. Waiting. So like, this is gonna take a while. So just like go on Roblox, play if you want to. I don't, because my videos aren't that good. So yeah, I don't care if you guys go on Roblox. Will you guys wait? Okay, I'm just gonna do this. This